Recently, UNESCO declared two historical sites of India as World Heritage Sites. First, Ramappa Temple of Telangana, and second, Dholavira of Harappan civilization. First of all, I will tell about Ramappa Temple. It is also called Rudreswara Temple, built by Kakatiyan general Richarla Rudra in the 13th century. Its main structure was built by reddish sandstone, and black basalt is used to build its outer column. Many types of mythological symbols like animals, female dancers, musicians, Kakatiyan arts, etc. are crafted on the pillars and walls of this temple to represent Kakatiyan dynasty. Main interesting things is bricks used in the temple are so light and able to float on the water. The name of this temple is Ramappa Temple is named in the honor of its craftsman Ramappa by Kakatiyan rulers that time to representing Kakatiyan dynasty very well. About this temple, an European merchant Marco Polo once told that it is the brightest star in the galaxy of temples. The technology used to construct this temple is called sandstone technology. And second site is Dholavira of Indus Valley civilization. It is located at Khadirabad Island in the Kutch district of Gujarat. It was the main business city of Indus Valley civilization that time, and so it was called City of Merchants. Dholavira was discovered in 1967 by J.P. Joshi of Archaeological Survey of India, but excavation started since 1990s. It is the fifth largest city of 8 major Harappan sites. Others are Harappan, Mohenjo-daro, Ganeriwala, Rakhigarhi, Kalibangan, Rupnagar, and Lothal. Out of these 8 sites, only 2 Dholavira and Mohenjo-daro has been declared as a World Heritage Site. There are so many water reservoirs have been found during excavation. Out of these, one rectangular step well is so huge and it is 3 times bigger than the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Dholavira was surrounded by 2 water storm channels, first Mansar in north and second the Manhar in the south. The most significant discoveries at Dholavira was 10 Indus characters from the northern gate called Dholavira signboard. Scientists unable to understand the exact meaning of these symbols until now.